Welcome back, viewers. Breaking news coming in. JJP leader shot dead. Shocker coming in from Haryana. Now the incident took place reportedly in Panipat. The JJP leader was killed. He was shot dead in Panipat. 5 teams have been formed to nab the accused. So Priyank is joining us on the phone line. Priyank, over to you. Can you give us more details about this disturbing incident coming into light from Haryana?
Yes, Saki. This incident happened last evening when JJP leader Ravindra Meena was shot dead in Panipat and one more cousin of JJP leader was also injured in this particular incident. What we've got to know that the 5 teams have been constituted by the Panipat police to nab the accused who are still at large. JJP is a very strong party, as you know, in the state of Haryana, and Meena was a very prominent person from this area. What we have got to know that in the last week, BJP had named Surendra Jawahar, BJP leader Surendra Jawahar was also shot dead by the neighbors in a personal dispute on 14th of March. And once again, this kind of incident happening where a political leader has been shot dead in the state of Haryana is certainly a very worrying trend which is happening from this place.
All right, so disturbing details coming in from Haryana. JJP leader shot dead. Shocker from Haryana. Incident taking place in Panipat. The leader was shot dead. Priyank, we're also getting to know that 5 teams have been formed to nab the accused, isn't it?
Yes, actually, because this was a very kind of sensational feeling where Ravindra Meena, while he was on his way back home, he was shot dead by armed assailant, and his cousin was also injured. What we have got to know that multiple rounds of bullets were also fired on both the cousins, which led to death of one. For sure, Ravindra Meena could have been the prime target because he was shot from a point-blank range by these assailants. The police is probing personal as well as any kind of professional enmity which could have been there, and that can only be established when the family members will be recording their statement. They have got a brief statement from one of the relatives, but certainly going into much detail, they will be going for the CBI analysis of his mobile phone, trying to know that who were the people who were in touch with Ravindra Meena, and also whether he was getting any kind of threat or not. That can be known from the statement of the family members. Right now, since the family members are in a state of shock, not much has been shared by them to the police, although police says that few suspects have been identified on the basis of the statement of the family and the friends. They are trying to locate the location of these suspects. That's why 5 teams have been formed to look into various aspects. One, look into the CCTV sequence. Second, to go for the CBI analysis. Third one, to record the statement of the family members. And other teams will also be assisting them in the technical analysis.
All right, Priyank, thank you for joining us with all these details.